Have you ever wondered why some creatures glow in the dark like tiny stars in the night sky? Welcome to the world of bioluminescence, a natural phenomenon where living organisms emit light. Imagine, if you will, the deep blue sea where these ethereal creatures reside, their bodies shimmering with an otherworldly glow, a spectacle that would leave anyone in awe. Bioluminescence is not limited to a single species or habitat. It's a trait found in a wide variety of organisms, from the enchanting fireflies that light up our summer nights to the deep-sea anglerfish using its luminescent lure to attract unwary prey. Bioluminescence is more common in nature than one might initially think. But what if I told you that the glow is not just for show? That there's science, survival, and evolution behind this extraordinary light show? Well, that's exactly what we're here to explore. Stick around to uncover the science behind this fascinating spectacle of nature. So, what makes these creatures glow like magical beings from a fantasy world? Well, the secret lies in a fantastic natural process known as bioluminescence. This is not some mystical power, but a fascinating scientific phenomenon that happens right here on our very own planet. At the heart of bioluminescence is a chemical reaction. This reaction involves two main components, a molecule named luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. These might sound like they've been plucked right out of a science fiction novel, but they're very real, and they're the key players in this game of natural light. Let's break it down. Imagine luciferin as a light bulb. On its own, it has the potential to shine, but it needs a little help to do so. That's where luciferase comes in. Think of luciferase as a light switch. When it interacts with luciferin, it triggers a reaction that causes the luciferin to emit light. This reaction is a bit like what happens when you switch on a lamp. The electricity flows, the bulb glows, and voila, you have light. But instead of electricity, these organisms are using a chemical reaction to create their glow. And the best part, this light show doesn't require any external power source. The energy comes from the reaction itself. When luciferin and luciferase interact, they produce a burst of light energy. This is why we see those mesmerizing glows in the dark depths of the ocean or in the quiet corners of a forest at night. So, while it might seem like these creatures have been dipped in fairy dust, the truth is far more interesting. They're not just making light, they're conducting a beautiful symphony of chemistry right there in their own bodies. And this isn't just a neat party trick. Bioluminescence plays a crucial role in survival for many organisms, from attracting mates to warding off predators to communication and camouflage. But that's a story for another time. In essence, bioluminescence is a remarkable natural phenomenon resulting from a precise chemical reaction. Now that we understand the science, let's explore why bioluminescence is more than just a beautiful light show. Bioluminescence serves a myriad of roles in nature, all crucial for the survival of various organisms. For some, it's a clever strategy to attract prey. Imagine being a tiny insect drawn to a mesmerizing glow, only to find yourself in the clutches of an anglerfish. For others, it's a way to deter predators. The startling flash of light can surprise and scare off potential threats, providing a critical escape window. But the functionality of bioluminescence doesn't stop there. It also serves as a sophisticated communication tool. In the dark depths of the ocean, where light is scarce, organisms use their glow to signal mates, assert territory, or even to synchronize activities in a phenomenon known as bioluminescent synchrony. So you see, the light serves different purposes depending on the organism and its environment. Bioluminescence, therefore, is not merely a spectacle but a vital survival tool for many creatures. To encapsulate, bioluminescence is a captivating phenomenon with a complex science and significant role in nature. This wondrous glow we see in organisms is not magic, but a result of a specific chemical reaction. The science behind bioluminescence involves the interaction of luciferin, an organic molecule, with oxygen, catalyzed by the enzyme luciferase. This reaction emits light and creates the enchanting glow we associate with these creatures. But why do organisms glow? Bioluminescence serves various purposes in the survival of many organisms. For some, it's a defense mechanism to startle or distract predators. For others, it's a means of communication or a tool to lure prey. From the depths of the ocean to the forest's undergrowth, This natural light show plays a pivotal role in survival and interaction within ecosystems. The next time you see a creature glowing in the dark, remember, it's not magic, but a beautiful example of nature's ingenuity at work.